Hi all, I am Sandeep and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to build one AI application with multi-agent workflows for content writing. So let's get started. So here we are going to build one AI application with multi-agent workflows for content writing with Python, and then we'll use Phidata. As you know, Phidata is an amazing framework for building agentic workflows. And then we'll also use SerpApiTools for Google Search and Crawl4aiTools for web crawling or web scraping, and most importantly DeepSeek-R1 LLM. So as I have already mentioned, SerpApiTools is used for Google search and Crawl4aiTools is used for web crawling or web scraping. So in this multi-agent system or multi-agent workflows, let's say, there are three AI agents and they are specialized in their task or roles, given task or roles, and they are given here. First one is the content planner. First agent's name is content planner. It's an expert content planner whose job is to plan the content on the given topic. Second agent is the content writer, an expert content writer whose job is to write the insightful and factually accurate content based on the outline and information given by the content planner. So basically the content planner, it will do, it will basically first gather all the information. It will do web search and gather all the information. Also it will collect information from news and other sources. Then it will then create some outline, content planner, and then it will pass that outline to the next agent, that is a content writer. Content writer use that outline or information given by the content planner, and then it will actually write the content. It will write some insightful and engaging and factually accurate content. And then the third agent, that is editor, an expert content editor whose job is to edit the blog post written by the content writer and make it look quite engaging and professional. So editors, the third agent's job is to basically edit the blog or post or article, whatever, written by the content writer. And by editing means basically it will check for the grammatical errors and correct those grammatical errors. Also the sentence construction also it may correct, and also the information, it will make it look very engaging and professional, editor. And then finally the job will be done. So these three agents will closely work with each other as a team, and then finally an insightful, engaging and structured blog, article or content will be written based on the given topic, based on the topic given by the user. So it is a simple application. In the application app, user just needs to specify the topic name, and then they just need to click on the write content button. There's a button called write content, just click on that, and then these three agents, we have these three agents, expert agents, content planner, content writer, editor. They will work with each other, and then finally they will come up with a very nice article, blog, or very engaging and nice looking, professional looking blog or article for you. So now we'll launch the app and see it in action. Let's do that. And it's Streamlit application, so written in Streamlit and in Python. So I'll just launch it, Streamlit run, and then multi agent Phidata content writing 3.py, this Python script. Let's launch it. It will take some time to get launched. Yeah, it started appearing. So as you can see, it's a AI app with multi-agent workflows for content writing. And here you have to just write the topic name on which you wanted to write some article or blog, some topic. You have to mention that some topic. And so I can write like latest AI trends in April 2025. Let's say as of April 2025, latest AI trends. Then you have to click on write content, but it takes some time, So, but I already have one session open. Just I'll show you how the output looks like. So, yeah. So as you can see, basically latest AI trends in April 2025. Then finally, you will have some engaging article like this, exploring the latest AI trends in April 2025, innovations, challenges, and opportunities. So introduction, it starts with the introduction, then key AI trends in April 2025, rise of AI agents, all the key points, then advancements in large language models, LLMs. And notice here for each of these key AI trend, just source is also given. The source link is also given, which is very important because we asked it to add the sources, source of all the information, whatever information it is collecting from. So it will add the source. Advancement in large language model. Here also, the Forbes 5 transformative 5 AI technology trends shaping 2025. AI-driven content creation. Again, the source is also here. Ethical consideration and responsible AI. Source is also given here. Then industry specific application like industry wise, healthcare, finance, education, etc. Then challenges and future outlook. Despite the advancement, challenges such as rising training cost, carbon footprint concerns, as you know, and the need for regulatory framework remain. Addressing these challenges is crucial for sustainable growth in the AI sector. The sources also here, cosmetic source. And finally, we have the conclusion, which is good. The AI trends of April 2025 underscore the technology's transformative potential across various industries, while innovations like the AI agents and then VLLMs are driving progress. Ethical considerations and responsible practices remain paramount. As we look to the future, staying informed and engaged with the AI developments will be the key to harnessing the full potentials. And call to actions like that it has written. And if you look at the console here, so you can see that basically um, it basically searching for Google latest trends April 2025. So it did the Google search actually as per our instructions, because it uses its own training knowledge of LLM, as well as also it it does Google search, web searching, crawling, all these things it does, and it collects information from different sources, news articles, etc., and then it summarizes, so basically and also we are printing it on the console, the summary or the article, final article, that. So now we can change the topic, and then again ask it to write content for some other topic, blog article or content for some other topic. Like that it works. Now I will briefly explain the code actually. So it's simple Python code actually, 100 lines of code actually, simple. And first we are importing the necessary libraries, and you need to install the Phidata using pip, and then from phi.agent, then import the agent class, then the grok, because we are using DeepSeek-R1 model through Grok Cloud, so grok is required. Phi.model.grok, import grok, then .env, import load underscore .env for loading the environment variables here. Then phi.tools, SerpApiTools, from SerpApiTools import SerpApiTools, and also the Crawl4aiTools actually. So phi.tools.crawl4ai, these two you require. And then import Streamlit as Streamlit, st Streamlit library also needs. Then SerpApiTools equal to this SerpApiTool class, and then you have to pass the API key. So you need to first register You have to sign up and then get your free API key, SERP API key for using Google search, and then you have to pass the API key here. And so you have got the SERP API tools. And then we have one function only, content writing function. Under this function, we have created several agents. Content planner agent, first one is the content planner agent. Then agent, you have to define the role and then name of the agent and the role of the agent. Then the model that it is going to use, LLM. Through Grok Cloud, we are using DeepSeek-R1 model. Okay, and then tools, for all the agents we are using same tools, SerpApiTools and Crawl4aiTools, these two. And make show tool calls equal to true, so you will be able to see what whether it is making a tool call or not, and then markdown equal to true to get a very good format output. Markdown equal to true. Instruction is very important. We're coming to the most important part here. Instruction is very important. Your instruction should be, your prompt should be very clear and very specific. So for the content planner, we are saying you are an expert content planner. Your task is to plan an engaging and factually accurate content on the given topic. Always use the tools to search for something on web. You collect information that helps the audience learn something and make informed decision, and then finally so it's pretty detailed and clear. And at the end we are writing include the SEO keywords like search engine optimization keywords and relevant data or sources. So similarly, we are giving instruction for the content writer agent also. You are an expert content writer. Your task is to write an insightful and factually accurate article about the topic. Your work is based on the work of the content planner, previous agent. Your work is based on the work of the content planner, who provides you an outline and relevant context about the topic. You follow the main objective and the directions of the outline as provided by the content planner. So it is very clearly given this instruction that your work is based on the work of the content planner. So that is why they are all connected. Then finally, we are saying the well-written blog post should be in markdown format and ready for publication, something like that. And then the third agent, editor agent, you are an expert content editor. Your task is to edit the blog post written by the content writer. Then your goal is to review the blog post to ensure that it follows the journalistic practices, provide balanced viewpoint when providing opinions, etc. So give very clear instructions, and it should be a very well written blog post in markdown format and ready for publication. So in the instruction for each of these agents, we are very clearly saying that what the role is, and the work, their work is based on the previous agents information or whatever report output. That is very clearly mentioned here. And then finally we are forming agent team. Okay, so these three agents are forming a team, and then in that here also we are giving instructions actually for each of these agents. We are giving instruction for the first agent, do content planning for this topic. Then for the second agent, we are giving an instruction here, do content writing for the given topic based on the content planning. And the third one, edit the written content for the topic and make it look very organized and professional. Here is the so-called show tool calls is equal to true, markdown true. And then finally output is equal to agent team dot run. We are running the agent team dot run, and here you give the final instructions here, do web search using tools and write a blog or article on the given topic. Please always include sources of information. Please always include source of information. We need to know from where it is coming, source of information. The link is very helpful, quite helpful. And then finally we are returning the output.content, and our this front end part is very small. It is written in the Streamlit library in Python. So it's basically the Streamlit part. As you can see, basically we have the title of the app, AI app with the multi-agent workflows for content writing. And then we are adding one nice logo here to make it look very nice, this app. And then only one text input is there, that is for the topic, that's it. And then we are adding one button called write content. As soon as user will press the button, then write content, then it will immediately call that function content writing and pass that topic name, and then we'll get the results. Finally the result will be displayed to the user. That is all. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please give a thumbs up. It will encourage me a lot to make more such videos in near future. Also, please do subscribe my channel if not yet done. Also, please write your comments or feedback for each and every video that I am making for you. Please find some time at least and write some comments or feedback. I would really love to see them. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in my next video again. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.